Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is CEHM, MORV, JLOS and QSVZ. Out of these four, three are alike and one is different. We have to find that one. To solve this, first let me write CEHM and even let me write the positions of these letters. The position of the letter C is what? 3. The position of E is 5. Position of H is what? It is 8. Position of M is 13. Well friends, to get 5 from 3, I have to add 2. To get 8 from 5, I have to add 3. To get 13 from 8, I have to add 5. Okay. Now consider MORV. MORV. Let me write the positions. What is the position of letter M? Yes, it is 13. Position of O, it is 15. Position of R, it is 18. Position of V, of course, it is 22. Now to get 15 from 13, I have to add 2. To get 18 from 15, what I have to do? Yes, I have to add 3. Now to get 22 from 18, what I need to do? I need to add 4. Okay. Need to add 4. Now well friends, let us consider JLOS. Okay. JLOS. Let me write the positions. What is the position of letter J? It is 10. The position of L is what? 12. Position of O is what? It is 15. Position of S is what? Of course it is 19. So how do I get 12 from 10? If I add 2. Okay. Now how do I get 15 from 12? If I add 3. Now how do I get 19 from 15? Yes, if I add 4. Okay. Well friends, let me consider last one, that is QSVZ. Okay. And what is the position of letter Q? Yes, it is. Yes, it is 17. The position of letter S is what? It is 19. Position of V is what? 22. Now what is the position of Z? Of course it is 26. Now how do I get 19 from 17? Once again if I add 2. How do I get 22 from 19? Again if I add how much? 3. How do I get 26 from 22? Yes, if I add plus 4. Okay. Friends, look at here. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That means these three are alike. This is what? Different. Because here it is plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Therefore, CEHM is what? Our answer. Well friends, we'll see some more problems.